Bammo. We got Kyle Johnson here and a package. Let's open this fucker. See what the hell it is. I mean, we all know what it is already at this point. Some motherfucking NS1 bitches. Unboxing. Left hand key cutting. Bam!
Keys.
We got the dirty. We're down here at the detail shop spot. Oh my god! Sundown Audio. NS1. Yeah. It's a tank, huh?
Oh, another box.
Box inside a box. We already threw one box away, so it was in a box, in packing peanuts, in a box. Inside that box is a box. Inside that box is a box. Inside that box is the amp. NS1, huh? Oh my god, we got a decal. Made my day. Nice.
Holy Jesus.
Let's see here. We got the cord for the bass knob. Bass knob Billy himself should be, what is this? Allen wrench. Why would he send me a couple? Okay, probably all for the terminals. Is this the bass knob? There's the bass knob. Clipping, so it's just like the 4500 bass knob.
$2 grand amp, Dad.